It is August 3rd, 2020. My peppers. I've probably picked 2 gallons of super hot so far. They're starting to come though. So I chop my peppers when they're little, so they're not as tall as probably a lot of people's, but they're very sturdy plants. A lot of sun out today, so up here in Minnesota. Got a cool front that moved in. It's like about 75 degrees. It'll heat up again on the weekend. I can't really get in on a lot of these peppers because of the sun. Maybe in the backyard and look at a few more. Save it. Most of these are all super hots. There's a 7-pot West here, yellow morugas, brain strains, Wartrix, morugulas, chocolate morugas, 7-pot red West. I'm sure there's a couple other ones in there. These are some Scotch brains here, some Primo morugas. I got some new one here from Juka. So I can get a picture of it. These are Primo crossed with purple Buchalogias. They'll turn red. That plant's loaded though. First time I've grown them, so they're supposed to be insanely hot. These are all Baracapores. All these are Baracapores in here. These over here are Bohemian goats. Up here, I usually don't get pods till August. So, one of my dahlia plants. This is a butterfly bush. It's kind of small, but the hummingbirds love it. These are Apocalypse. Trying to get out of the shade here. Apocalypse are usually red, but I have one that's a yellow. If I can find it. It's right here. We'll see if they're all yellow. These here are 7-pot West, and they were mustard, so I grew out about 18 plants or something like that. And I got some Negamorich East strains in here. These are from Juka. They're called Blended Lemon. I just had my first one ripening up on there. I thought they'd be a little bigger, but we'll see. Maybe they'll get bigger. These are some peppers I got from Thailand. A friend of mine got them from Thailand for me. These are shishitos. Grew those out for a friend. I just want to keep a couple plants for some seed. These here are mostly jigsaws. Last year they were my last ones to ripen. This year, my first ones to pick. These are Carbon Boot. Carbon Boot 7-pot reds, I believe. These are the Carbon Boot 7-pot yellows. These get a lot bigger plants than the other ones. It's getting pretty sunny out here. I don't think I can get a lot of pictures of pods. But they're starting to shoot up a little bit. These over here are a 7-pot long red from a buddy of mine. These will have some box, some Aji Chambos. I got some CP115s. These are the chocolate ones right here. These are my CP115s. These are a burgundy here. Got those for a few years. These are a cross of mine. They're F3s, I believe. CP115 with a Genghis Khan. Coneflowers. Over here, this row here is all pretty much every color you can think of primos. And in the back row, I have a bunch of back 2 rows. I have a bunch of Bootless chocolates and reds. Got some other mixed stuff down there. These are Leviathans. Getting pictures of them. These back here are some from my buddy Bob Busby, some orcs. Some Scotch bonnets from Justin White. Starting to come a little bit here. I got some chocolate and red Scotch bonnets too here. Some more Genghis Khans. These are my dahlias, or my zinnias. So I can get the butterfly. I get a lot of tiger swallowtails, monarchs. Just seen a black tiger swallowtail the other day. So what's on this one? Zinnias, they come in different sizes. These are the 36 to 38 inch ones. I have some shorter ones in the front. But butterflies and hummingbirds love them. And we'll walk up on the deck here. This is my backyard, so get a shot of the whole thing here. I'd say within 2 weeks I'll be picking probably three and a half gallon buckets a day. On my deck I have mainly Phantoms, so they're starting to come. bad brands here. Get a picture of them. These are some Basia Osakas from Jimmy Duffy. So I can pick a picture of them. They turn like a real dark green and then they'll turn red. This row right here is all Granada seasoning peppers. I just picked my first couple the other day. They're a little slower, but they're coming. Here's the aerial shot of the backyard. I have some other stuff in there too. I just didn't mention it. I got some Butch Taylor Primo Reds, yellows. Got some habanadas. Grew them for the neighbor kids. But that's about it for August 3rd, 2020.